Are you looking to design a website effortlessly? Look no further. Figma is your go-to tool for creating stunning website layouts, from beginner to professional levels. It offers speed and flexibility without the need for heavy coding. In this video, we will explore what Figma to design a website means. Figma allows you to create complete website layouts, from home pages to inner pages, and then convert these designs into live websites using various methods. You can confidently use Figma for all your design needs. Figma is now the preferred choice for web designers due to its collaborative features, reusable components, and responsive design support. This makes the design process faster and more efficient. So how do you design a website in Figma? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, create a new file in Figma and set your frame sizes. Next, design your homepage including headers, hero sections, and footers. After that, add inner pages like pricing, payment, and contact pages. Use consistent styles and components throughout your design. Finally, prototype your interactions to simulate a live website experience. We will also delve into different methods of converting Figma designs into websites. No-code tools allow beginners to create websites quickly. You can also use platforms like Webflow and Wix for a more hands-on approach. HTML coding provides maximum control for developers looking for the best performance. Figma's resources also help in understanding website design fundamentals. You can create personal, e-commerce, and landing pages all within the platform. Moreover, Figma scales well for long-term projects and can adapt to multilingual requirements. However, remember that Figma designs are mock-ups and cannot be published directly. You'll need to use external tools to bring your vision to life. To sum it up, Figma is the perfect starting point for designing your website. The skills you gain will pave the way for simpler transitions to actual coding environments or no-code platforms. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey using Figma today and turn your designs into live websites. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into